What's up, boys? Welcome to day 302 of learning and practicing my edge in the markets. Uh, obviously, backtesting, but yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna go since the markets have been cooking me lately, and well, that's the best part of trading. It's very uncertain. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. You literally enter into a week without knowing if it's going to be your best week yet. So that uncertainty is the best part of trading. So without delay, I would like to start trading, to start testing right away. Uh, I was practicing a few minutes before this, like for a couple, like 15 to 20 minutes. So I think I'm still fresh and still in my flow state to be doing this backtesting thing. So let's get going. I would like to go to the next trading day here and start on the lead time frame just to see like how stuff is looking like before we do anything. Okay, checking the 4 hour is okay as well. 1 hour or the 2 hour is currently in this fair value gap, so I'd like to see price probably just displace like go to these highs. So let's wait for the open. Or maybe we can have a liquidity run. That would be the best thing, but it looks like price doesn't want to do the exact thing right now. Okay, bang, liquidity run right there. I'd like to see price simply displace higher. Bro, what kind of price is this now? Okay, we ran Asia low, so now we should start displacing higher. Probably 4 hour close extremely bearish, 1 hour bearish as well, but the 4 hour ended up closing inside of this fair value gap here, so maybe we might flip bullish later. 5 minute gap tap. This is not good, so I'd rather use like a bearish gap if this 5 minute continues holding. So we have this version, it's a 5 minute guiding rejected, so like I think price could start displacing high. I mean, I think price should start displacing lower with something like this high here. Like to see accumulate like a 1-to-1 from this, which we get right away. Beautiful delivery. I think that was the entry of the day. Don't need to get anything else. New York AM. Okay, next day looks like we are kind of consolidating inside of this range. This day opened and ran all of these draws. I mean, I would like to see continue higher, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens, because as of now, checking the 1 hour, we are dropping heavily, and well, with some good SMTs here, so we might just start displacing lower. So as of now, my bias is bearish, unless market proves me otherwise. Okay, 1 hour gap retracement. This was heavy, but I wouldn't get a chance to enter because this thing here hadn't been impressed yet, so I would rather wait. Okay, another 1 hour retracement higher. Down. Okay, so this was a kind of a bullish 4 hour close, so I think price will just start heading higher right after now. think this is like some sort of discount retracement. I don't think we will consider this a gap. Well, there was a volume imbalance kind of thing here, so we can use it and see if we can maybe try out longs. 2 minute 345. It's a good 5 minute closure we can try longs on. I'd like to see price maybe. Whoa, what am I doing here? Let's try longs. Yes, my stop will be here. Take profit will be all the way at these highs here. No way. Let's wait. Nothing on this day, just a massive L. Next trading day in New York. Bro, the things that are happening during this backtesting is the same thing that's happening to me in the markets. I'm getting back to back, literally back to back losses. No, it's currently displacing lower. We're delivering very beautifully from this gap. We might see more displacement if price retraces into a very crucial POI, such as tap into this gap. Then let's see if price just taps higher and then drops. Okay, so right before, a few minutes after open, we tap into the 15-minute gap. So like we'll see price just distribute lower now. This is not a good close if I am bearish. Looks like price is going to be going higher. Let's see if we get another retracement lower. There's the retracement. Get a good retracement, but 30-minute wasn't having it. Yeah, absolutely. Well, beautifully bullish day, but we didn't manage to catch anything so far, so not really good. Let's go to the next New York PM session. Price is displacing lower, opened higher, now it's dropping like crazy. In the 1 hour we retraced higher, and the 2 hour same thing. Retracement into this 5-minute gap here, then we get an inversion, but we haven't opened yet. Let's wait for the open. Right at open, we'd like to see this higher get run. Nope, it doesn't. Either way, it looks like we're displacing lower. And these are good closes, in my opinion. But yeah, here's the liquidity run that I was waiting for. Now let's see if we start going lower. Oh, come on. So price just starts to shift right away. $15 gap retracement. Okay, so these are the candles that you want to see if you are biased bullish. Like to see price run these highs, break even at these highs as well. 3, 4, 5. Okay, because it's a 5 gap. 3 here. Dang, it gets topped out right away. Let's try longs again. 1040. I will be looking for price to displace higher. Okay, break even right here, because now we've displaced through this area. I wanted to see a sharp short through. Now all I gotta do is wait. Yeah, break even locked in right there. Crazy. So it looks like yes is dropping even further for some reason. Bro. Okay, let's go to the next trading day. New York AM session. The next day. There's a gap here. Let the see price simply just displace higher. These look like slow days. Got a 15-minute gap retracement right before market open, and a very beautiful 1-minute inversion, which I think the open will drop lower sharply. That's it. And yes, we get a after like say market consolidation. A beautiful inversion. Okay, let's see if price could displace lower. Short it. Okay, very beautiful. Bang, take profit, gets hit for these lows. And yeah, that was all. Apparently recovering slowly by slowly. Not taking things fast. No, not taking things fast. Slowly by slowly. Anyways, after that we consolidate heavily, but good liquidity run here. Good inversion. I mean, actually 5 minutes was quite good here. If you had a stop here, you would be quite good. If you had a stop here, you'd be very cooked. Either way, yeah, it doesn't look bad. A gap retracement. You can try out some longs here, something like this. That will move to break even when this higher gets run. And take profit gets hit. Bro. Bro, we are shopping. I'd like to see price break out of this range, so let's wait and see. T-run 30-minute gap. Let's see if we distribute higher at this open. This is a good inversion. I mean, I believe it will inverse, and the fact that there is still these gaps is not good. Anyways, I think we can try out this 5-minute gap closure. I believe like a 1-minute gap will be offered. I mean, 1 to 1 will be offered. Let's see if you can get all the way to this draw here for 1.3R. And also the way the 15-minute closes will affect this trade. Yeah, the 15-minute didn't close quite good. That's 2 shorts on this 3-minute inversion. Looks like we run liquidity. 15-minute gap is getting respected, and ES is all the way there, so we should have identified ES earlier. Gotcha, you little thing. Right, so I'll be targeting all the way to these lows. I'd like to have my stop somewhere around here for 1.7R. Back to back, bro. This is the same thing that's happening to me in the live markets, bro. Catching 2 losses, like not even less than 5 minutes is heavy. I mean 30 minutes. Then price ends up having this generation drop later, which I was quite confident that it could happen. Looks like we have another very beautiful displacement candle right here. The 5-minute close is quite good. We can try longs on this small retracement here, have our stops here, and well, we can still target these highs here are good, but these highs here are also good. It'll be like 1-to-1 kind of thing. Very good draw here. Let's go to the next New York AM session and see how price displaces. So looks like we might displace above this consolidation range that we were currently in, and might target some like daily highs, like I don't know, here, and some more good bullish draws. Now checking the 1-hour time frame, we kind of retraced a little bit lower today. 8, yeah, I think there were some kind of news. The 1st of June, yeah, there was obviously an FP, so that gives us another possible draw on liquidity, for which I don't like to see price displace all the way to this data low. Just like to see a retracement into this gap, then displacement higher next before doing anything else. Right are open, snipe higher. Wow, crazy sniper. Okay, 15-minute gap retracement. This is a daily high too, by the way, so this means that we would have a negative RR if we tried this kind of trade. And bang, just like that. Okay, crazy 1-to-1. Did it offer 1 to 2, full 1 to 2? Yes, it did. But that totally relied on hopes and dreams. Let's see. At 11, we don't quite get the best PA. It's going kind of slower. Let's see if we get another liquidity run here. Well, that was close. Was an SMT with yes, but still no entries except if you check the 30-second, for which I believe maybe the 30-second would have something. But as of now, just going on to the next trading day. So this is a good breakout here. You can see price continue higher now. We have another daily draw here and another daily draw here as well. But bro, yesterday price shot higher like crazy. So now checking the 4 hour, we have unfilled gap right here. There's the SMT. But what happened to this light now? Okay. Very crazy move. Maybe you can enter on the 1 minute, I don't know. You can see the first draw gets hit. Okay, 15-minute gap retracement. I can see price start to head higher now. Bro, are you serious? Are you being serious? Could get a crazy 15-minute inverse. Then a 5-minute inverse. Well, as you can see, we're still holding inside here. Okay, I think I'm gonna try longs here. So the 15-minute closed inversing, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna be bearish. This gap here holding after this inversion, and these gaps here were holding, so I believe we might start displacing higher after this. Is it a 5-minute or a 3-minute or something like that? It's a 2-minute. Okay, 1-to-1 secured right away. Sometimes the market conditions aren't that good to secure like that high over winning trade. So let's see if this price is higher. Let's go to the next trading day now. New York AM session. Check the daily. Remove 2 drawings. Now we're still displacing higher. Very beautiful moves. Checking the 4 hour. Little retracement here. Get a good impression. Actually, how about we actually try longs like right before open? How that look like? Ooh, that's sharp. Like to see the inverse though. If the inverse is here, then we can size in a little bit more. Can I add like I don't know, 50, 70? Bang. Review for trade secured right there. Bro, this was a close, very, very close retracement. Let's wait. Okay, 15-minute gap retracement. Okay, so it's a 30-minute as well. So this 15-minute should hold if we truly are bullish. Have an SMT at these lows. There is the inversion. Then we're in this huge gap as well. So I would rather wait. As you can see now it's holding buys. So get another liquidity run. It's a retracement higher for shorts preparation. Let's see how the inverses go. 3-minute beautiful gap here. And yeah, well, I believe it's gonna close here, right? Shorts. Possible draw. Oof, all the draws were hit. Now let's let this pass. Let's go to the next trading day, New York AM session, and see how it looks like. How was it this fast? Okay, let's go a little bit back, check the 1 hour. So checking the daily, we are like this. So checking the 4 hour, we might have like this sort of block hold, or maybe some 1 hour gap. It will depend on what's there, but as of now you can see that we have this 1 hour gap. So if this 1 hour gap holds, then you can just try out some longs. I'm gonna wait for the open. Okay, these are a couple good 5-minute inverses. I'm gonna try out shorts on this 15-minute gap rejection and see if price heads all the way to these relatively equal lows here. So this is where I'll be taking the trade, and see if price heads all the way to these lows. 1.4 hour kind of trade. It gets total in one candle down. 1 minute. Okay, that wasn't definitely good place to inverse then. Okay, let's see. Bro, rolls get hit even though we were stopped out. Then the 15-minute closes inside, which is a sign that price wants really to go lower, but it was really choppy here that it couldn't offer an opportunity. Ooh, let's have a drop. Okay. in the macro, we might get something. We have a low resistance form up right here. Look at all these draws. So we get a retracement into the 1 hour gap, 15-minute gap. Let's see if we get some chances to short this thing. Okay, looks like price is still focusing on going higher. I think we might ignore these bullish moves and just go to the next trading day. Anyways, we end up getting the bullish draw. I think we are at all-time highs. Yes, we are at all-time highs. So checking the 1 hour. Zoom in. We have this very beautiful gap here. Have a liquidity run. I'd like to see price displays higher now. London highs will be the draw. 15-minute is going a little bit slow, but we just have to wait and see. Oof, crazy open. Whoa, okay. These are no good 5-minute gap rejections, by the way. You can see that we inverse right away. Let me start displacing lower, so bearishness at work. Let's wait for the next retracement, see if we can take shorts. Okay, 30-minute and 15-minute gap retracement. I'd like to see price provide some more opportunities for which, well, first shorts would have been from here, but let's wait and see. Let's see, 5-minute, there's a gap. Let's see if it inverses. Very beautiful inverse. So now I think we can try our shorts. Break lower, move to break even. Yes, here's the break even. And bang. Wait, it goes all the way through a line shower. Insane. 723k. Damn, that's growth. If we check the stats of this thing, I have to see how the calendars look like, because this 2018, bro, we are making way too much money. It's because I'm risking too much. Average losing trade 11k, average winning trade 17k. Whew. Let's see, 2018 right here. Okay, crazy month, but I mean good month. This is a good month. Yes, March. Oof. Really uplifted the game here. No, this was a 5% risk all through. April, not that good. Got cooked a little bit. This was a break-even trade, by the way. These were way too many trades, but 244k, 152k. So I'm currently in June, I'd say, I guess. And when we check the sessions, let's see in reports. Hear that? Okay. Break daily volume. Lowest month, February. Best month, May. Let's see the gross. Huh. Okay. Very crazy trade in May, hence May being the biggest, 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 biggest month. Back to back, back to back. This was the losing day we had in the month. Not bad, is it? New York AM session the next day. We drop a little bit lower. 1 hour looks like it's retracing. So I'd like to see maybe these gaps here. We checked these gaps. This low here will be great. Okay, right open, run on liquidity. Very beautiful inversions. Can try shorts to all these draws and see also if we tap into this 15-minute. Nah. For our 1 hour, looks like the 1 hour wants to inverse, honestly. And if it does, then we'll be proven wrong. Looks like price will be heading for what? Asian highs. Minute gap retracement and the 30-minute. I'd like to see this rejection start now, but since there ain't any, bro, okay, so checking the 1 hour, we are looking good. 4 hour as well, we're looking good after this retracement lower into, is it a 1 hour gap or something? It's actually not a 1 hour gap. It's not even a 15-minute thing. It's not even a 5-minute thing. Just a mere liquidity run. Let's try longs. So we entered on the 15th, so I'd rather wait maybe for a breakout here. So let's trail. Let's see if we hit the Asia highs. Come on, stop edging them. Let's go. 2 hour locked in right there. TR. It will require you to wait for the whole day though, around 4 hours. But yeah, shit. You saying shit and can't mean nothing. 100 can tell me nothing. We're still displacing higher. Checking the 4 hour and the 1 hour, we're doing good. Let's see if this LR here gets run. LR right here. We're also in this new week opening gap, so I'd like to see displacement higher. So start moving right now. Alright, there we go. Oof, it's not looking good. Firmly gap retracement. Two minutes better. Let's see if price displaces through all this gaps. Good displacement. Let's see. I don't like to see price return there. Bang, take profit right before launch. Salute. Anyways, we're done with the backtesting session. Not really in that great mood today. I'm just gonna play my guitar and I will be done for the day, but I won't be playing it for you because I am still a learner and I'm still figuring out some stuff. And yeah, so well, you can see obviously this is not the part where I excel. Let me try switching this too. As you can see, the mic goes here. Yes. Back a little bit. So this is not the part where I excel, so that's why I'm like learning, so that when I start excelling I can also give you some guitar as well. Yeah, see you next time. Peace.